Today we're going to be making pineapple coconut popcorn. This is Today we're going to be making pineapple coconut popcorn, and to do that we're using this product by Gold Medal. This is a signature blend, and what we're going to be doing is using 1.5 cups of sugar to 1.5 tablespoons of this signature blend, and we're going to be popping all of that in our kettle here. We're going to be popping 3 cups of kernels, 1.5 cups of oil, and then we're going to add this in just like kettle corn. So let's get popping. Fire up the kettle. We're going to put in 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. So here we have our 1.5 cups of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of that pineapple coconut signature blend. Oh, you can really smell that. Oh yeah, that smells so good. All right, we have our kernels in here, we have our oil in here. We're gonna let that get hot. As soon as that starts to pop, that's when we're gonna put in our sugar mixture. We're also using our sifter. This is a stainless steel kernel sifter here that we have at the bottom of this food safe bin. So if you're interested in that, there's actually a link down in the description for that as well. It does a great job getting those unpopped kernels separated from your popcorn. All right, we're starting to pop. Let's add in our sugar mixture. Get that all stirred up in there. Oh yeah, you can smell that coconut, that pineapple. We're gonna let this get back up to temperature. And once it starts popping, that's when we're gonna really start to stir this thing up. Just a reminder, all of the products we're using here today are down in the description, so check that out. Also, if you're interested in the Popcorn Genius recipe book, there's a link down in the description where you can pick that up today for absolutely free. So if you want to make some great flavors of popcorn just like this, be sure to check that out. It smells so good. All right, it's really popping now. All right, we're just about finished. Keep stirring it a little bit. All right, now we're gonna dump it. All right, look at this nice bright colored popcorn. Check that out. Nice brightly colored popcorn, pineapple coconut. Now you could add a little salt to this if you want. Some people like to add salt to all their kettle corn flavors, and we do that sometimes too, but we're gonna try this without the salt to start with. Let's grab a couple pieces. Whoa, still hot. Get that nice and coated. That looks so good. All right, let's give this a try. Oh yeah, that is so good. Nice and sweet. You can taste the pineapple, you can taste the coconut flavor. This is still hot, but once this cools down, the flavor is even gonna pop more. This is so good. All right, let's get a couple more pieces here. Oh yeah, absolutely awesome. Such a simple recipe to do with this popcorn. Just adding that signature blend with the sugar adds this tremendous amount of flavor to this. So you can make a great popcorn flavor just like this pineapple coconut. Check out the links down in the description for all the products we used. You just got to get out there and get poppin'.